Hi, I'm Matthew from OpenResty Inc. Today I demonstrate how to install OpenResty on Ubuntu 20.04 via apt-get. We'll use this fresh install of Ubuntu 20.04 in this video. We can always go to the openresty.org website to find the instructions. Then click on the installation menu. And click on the link Official Pre-Built Packages. We do support a lot of Linux distributions. Click on the Ubuntu link. We can find all the commands for enabling the apt repository and installing the OpenResty deb packages. Back to our Ubuntu 20.04 system. If you already have anything listening on the local port 80, then you should disable it. Here we don't have any. First of all, make sure the system time is correct. You may want to use a different NTP server near you here. We should install some prerequisites needed by adding GPG public keys. These could be removed later. Let's import our GPG key. Then add our official apt repository. Note that this is for an x86_64 or ARM64 system. For ARCH64 or ARM64 systems, you should use this URL instead. Now update the apt index. Note that we need sudo here. Now it's time to install our main RPM package, OpenResty. Check if the OpenResty executable is available. This OpenResty executable is just a symbolic link. And check its version. We can start the default OpenResty server like this. Check if the Nginx processes are up and running. Perfect. Test the default home page with the curl command. Yay, it's working. Note, however, that the Resty command line utility is not installed yet. If you want it, then you can install the OpenResty Resty RPM package from the same repository. Now it should be ready. Similarly, if you want to use the restdoc command line utility, you should install the OpenResty doc package. Now it's available too. We can also install OPM for installing more Lua modules contributed by the OpenResty community. We can try installing the Lua Resty HTTP library authored by James Hurst. Try loading it with the Resty utility. Success! There is also a debug build of OpenResty which includes debugging logs and all the internal assertions enabled. We can invoke this debug version of OpenResty like this. This OpenResty debug executable is also a symbolic link. We should never use it in production since it is much slower than the release build. Furthermore, there are also special builds for checking memory issues via Valgrind. Try these when you have memory issues to debug. We may cover these in future tutorials. To upgrade OpenResty packages to their latest versions, just run these commands. To check all the available packages in our OpenResty repository, we've got a lot of binary packages here. We can find detailed documentation for all these deb packages on this web page. We have indeed got a lot of packages for the user to choose from. That's all I'd like to cover today. Have fun! If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.